Good morning, fellow traders. Welcome to our week edition of the market. Today, I'm going to talk about something special that so many traders don't know. Many people are trading in the financial market, but they actually don't know one very important thing. That is, who are the participants of the market? Who are you competing with? Most of the time, traders get excited and then they blow their account because they don't know one of the most important things every trader should know: their business in the market and how they move and why you should be following them. So you can go to this website, cftc.gov market report, and what I'm going to talk about the commitment of market traders. Then I'm going to show you the various participants of the market. So when you go to the committee of the cftc.com, then the data comes and you can see about them. You can read about here who is the chairman, oversight, the law and regulation, the market data, the forms. But these are the things that are there. But then what I am interested about showing you is I'll go here and I'll look at the net position change. So we have large traders. Okay, these are the people that I'm talking about. There are about basically three types of traders in the market. We have the commercials. Okay, then we have the large traders, which consist of the banks and the institutions and the hedge funds. Then we have the small traders, which are the retail traders like myself and you and others. So if you look at here, you can find the banks, what they are doing, their position, and things like that. And then um, what I want to show you is somewhere. Let me see, clear margin report. I wanted to show you the net positions. Hold on a second. So weekly swap report here doesn't actually. So let me hold on. Commission chairman, CFT organization, um, the CFT, the chairman, executive, enforcement. What I want to show you, I've spoken about the three types: the small traders, which is normally made up of the retail traders like myself and you. And remember, even within the retail traders, we have some retail traders which are extremely rich, so they are trading with large capital, and those trading with 5,000, 1,000 and stuff. Then we have the commercials. The commercials normally that is why we have the features market, because commercials wanting to buy the features which are takes real delivery, like gold, silver, copper, iron or orange juice, pork bellies, all these things that you see, coffee. They need the raw material, so they have to be able to lock prices in the future. That is why we have the futures contract. So it comes, you can see those trades comes with expiration and they take real delivery. So if they want to, even they can lock up the price of gold or any of the above things I mentioned for a year till next year. So if the price goes up, fine. If the price is, say, they lock up a contract to buy gold at let's say 20 or $1,000 an ounce, it means if gold drops by the time the contract expires and gold drops below 1,000, they will still pay 1,000, and goes go above 1,000, they will still pay. But the real important thing here is they need the raw materials, because they have to manufacture, like cocoa, they have to turn it into chocolates and Milo or chocolate drinks, all the things that you go to the supermarket like Asda, Walmart, or any supermarket to buy. So they buy those things. So they have to protect themselves. And really, When I finish, I'll show you in the chat their activities. And if you go to the banks, I'll show you. If you go to forexfactory.com, sometimes at the end of the Friday you might see um, the activities there. They try to bring you the net position. I can show you how to also calculate these net positions of these people. Hold on, I need Forex Factory. Yeah. Also, now I'm going to show you. Sometimes you might see when you have the news for the calendar. Yeah, sometimes at the end of Friday you see here we don't have this is okay, so let me see. This is euro and stuff like that. Calendar today is 13, so yesterday, so let's go to Friday 11th, and let me click more and see what came. And let me see more. I didn't need the Sundays and stuff. Anyway, never mind. But if you keep track here, most of the time, Fridays at the end of the week, they will bring you the net positions of the commercials. That is the net position of the small traders, the net position of the commercials, and the net position of the banks and stuff like that for you to see. And mostly also, used to have it here: bank participation, net position changes in data. Let me click here and see if we're going to find what I need. Large traders net position, trading account net position and stuff. Let me see the data. Hold on. A couple of things have come. I'll bring you where you find those data and the calculations and stuff, because normally you don't just have the report, but you have the report. You can click on like euro yen, if you are trading oil, gold and stuff, and you might see all the individual reports from the commercials, their position, their net short position, their net long position, the small traders, their net long positions, and their short positions. So the second biggest are, like I said, are the institutions and the banks. So as a small trader, you have to follow them. Okay, so you have to follow them in the markets, so that you know what they are doing. So if they are buying, you want to buy. If they are selling, you want to sell. So you can see here, this represent activities of the banks and the large traders, because they control the market. So as a small trader with a smaller account, you don't control the market. So when you are trading, stop getting excited and stop thinking that you are the only person trading the market. So you want to place a buy and sell just as you please and wish. So you can see, after they push this price here, they relax. So you have these pullbacks, which sometimes trap scalpers or small traders, because they get excited here, you see, and the market they push it back up again, because at this point here they were relaxing. Okay, and those retail traders take control, and people are interested in shorting the market, but you can see below this price they didn't want the price to go down again, so they push it above to form, you see, higher highs and higher highs again. So this is shown in all the markets, as you can see here. Yes, that activities of the large traders. So if you are a small trader, these are the people that you want to follow them, and just try to get too much excited and don't be trapped in these areas of the market. Okay, so when they push the market up, you will make money. Activities of the large traders, this is another example. And when you come, I spoke about the commodity market, which is the natural resources that man made, which the market is made of, both natural and artificial. So the currencies like the euros that we trade in, those are the man-made markets, because gold is natural, oil is natural, copper, all those things are natural. And for you to see the commercial activities in the currency market is also there, because these commercials, remember, they need to exchange at the huge rates to exchange from yen to euro or dollar or Canadian dollar, or to in order to make their transactions. And there are certain times in the year where they do bulk of the actions, and those times you might see biggest moves in the currency market or biggest moves in the commodity market. Okay, so because they control the market, they have to make sure that it is suitable for the business that they are doing. So if the market gets to a particular price that they don't want the price to go up, they then begins to sell. So you follow them and you see they are the ones moving the trend. So as a small trader like myself, when I didn't know this in the past and I was trading, I was yes, I made a lot of mistakes, because when I see this small sell here, you see the commercials push the market up and they start taking some profit. The large banks start taking some profit here and here. They allow the market to consolidate and range because they are no more interested. They are sitting down, suck all the small traders in, and they know where the stop loss will be triggered, and they push it up again. So you see, and then they push it up again. So at a price that they don't want it to go, then they start taking profit. So small trader, you want to sell when the big guys are selling, you want to buy when the big guys are buying. Like here you can see how they push the market up. So all the small traders getting excited around here thinking they are selling the market, making $1, $3, $5. You see, they sucker punch them and take them out of the market. So this is what you have to follow, then make money. You understand? And trade with confidence, trade with smaller sizes. Don't compare your account to anything. So let's go back and see if we can find let me see, let me try to type something in. Let's say USD card report, if I can find some reports on that. Yeah, and see or let me see something here. cftc.gov. Let me see. If I could get something for you. It's the same thing coming up. I have the indicators of the large traders and the small traders. So I haven't actually come here. Yeah, okay, let me see. I think I saw something there. Let me go down there and see. Okay, yeah, so you can see here we haven't actually have, but you have the agriculture, disaggregated features only. So they have the long format, they have the so this is what I wanted to show you. So when you click the report here, you can see other reportables. The other reportables represent small traders like myself and yours. These are the hedge funds. So the hedge funds and the swap dealers, they are the largest, second largest market in participants in the market. Then we have the producers and the merchant and the processors, which I told you about. So every time in all the market that is traded, gold, forex, whatever, the natural and non-natural, their net report is here. So you can see their long position, which is 33,300 long position, and they have 100 and on this particular this they have 101,803 short position, which means they are long term. They think the contract of bushels, they are expecting it to go down. And look at the swap dealers, they are 17,000 short and their net position is long if you subtract. And look at the fund, what the hedge funds are doing. They are also in favor of the producers, so their net position is short. You can see they are 80,949 long and 76,000 short. And look at the small traders. Okay, they are net long. So the small traders, which is the retail traders like ourselves, and non-reportable portion, you can see we do wrong things most of the time. When the big guys are buying, we are selling, and when the big guys are selling, we are buying. So, and we have open interest, which is another important thing I can talk to you about. So when you go down is there, and there are formats like this for everything, for gold, for copper. So you can see metals only. So when we go here, you can see what is there. So this is producers contract, this is try on ounce. So what is that here? Yeah, so this is some metal, particular metal that they are using here. And you might see gold, oil, and all those things are there just like that. And their measuring units are also there. So once you know these things, then you know who to follow. You know that whether you are scalping or you are swing trading or whatever, patience, and you know which people to follow. So you can see the renewable energies, the contracts are also there. Yeah, California carbon allowances. So there are so many things that are traded. Okay, that is why they have added us in order for us to make just money. So let's go and look at the financials and see what you can see. So this is so you can see this is the Canadian dollar. Okay, on the exchange is Chicago Merchant Exchange. So you can see the dealer intermediary, asset managers, leverage funds. These are the people who are controlling the markets. Then these are the large traders. They are individuals with a hell lot of money also trading. So they come in that order. Then the smallest persons are retail traders like us here. Okay, so you can see the difference. They are long positions and they are short positions. So overall, they are short. They are expecting the Canadian dollar to get weaker, and you can see it follows. But if you come to the retail traders like myself and you can see their net position is long. So that is why retail traders lose money, because they don't understand these things. These are the Swiss francs. So you can see what the big players are doing and the small traders are doing. The big players are net short. The small traders like myself and you, their total position is net long. So they are doing opposite. You can see British pound, the yen is here. The net position is short. That is what the hedge funds and all the big positions are doing. They think that in the long run they are going to push this down. So you can calculate the difference and know, and you can see net long, again doing the wrong thing. This is the euro, Australian dollar, Russian ruble. So everything is here, including, I could go on and go on and go on. So if you want to make money as small traders, you have to follow. Think about a symbiotic relationship where you have or you have a big shark in the ocean. The big sharks don't see sardines to feed on them, but the sardines are easy to be eaten by other animals which are bigger than them. So the sardine always hides under the big shark or the ears of the big shark, because every animal in the sea is afraid of the big shark. So when the sardine is there, he is protected. No other animals will dare to come and use him for lunch or breakfast or dinner, because when you come, the big shark is going to eat you. So the sardine hides under the big shark. So when the big sharks eats, the leftovers that comes up, then the small sardines and stuff, they will eat. They will eat. So as long as they stay there, they are always full. So that is what, as a trader, you should do now. So when when they are selling the market, like the euro Aussie, you can see when they are sellers here, they put about 300 pips. So you sell, because then the hedge funds and the commercials will push the market down for you. Okay, they will push the market down for you, and you can see gold and stuff here. Yes, so when they are buying here at this price, 1672, even if we go to the weekly chart, you can see they allow the market to range around 11,173. They don't want it to go below again, so they push the market up. And look at that trend. Look at the trend here. That is really huge. So if you are a retail trader and you are a position retail trader, and you went in here, buy here when they were pushing the market out, with just smaller lot sizes, you are going to make a lot of money. So that is all what you need to do. Even when you are scalping, you have to get the strategy that is working for you, because remember, the hedge funds and big funds, they have big algo machines that is pushing the market and stuff, and they know where the stop losses are, because they know where they want to buy and they know where they want to sell. So they have their limit buy orders at the demand zone, and they have their sell orders at the supply zones. And if you don't take time, they will make you lunch. So I think that I have explained a little bit for you, and this video comes handy for you, and it will guide you on your trading journey. So now that you know who you are dealing with, now you know that you are the smallest player in the game. So in order for you to succeed, you have to move with the big boys. Look at what the big boys are doing, then do the same thing what they are doing, so that you can be successful. Yeah, so you can see this is a current update, just updated last week. So every week they update it and they tell you. I mean, if you pay close attention to the market, you'll be surprised the things that are traded in the futures market, both natural and artificial. Orange juice, all of them. You can see Bloomberg Commodity Index. You can see what is a CBOE feature exchange. I will speak to you again, and have a good week, and I wish you good trading. If you have any questions, just comment under the video or send me a message and I will answer you. This is free, and remember, I'm not selling anything to you. Have a good day. Bye bye.